Te hubiera dado un tequila. You should have told me. I had one right there. I would have brought one.
Hey.
Action. Here we go.
So, how much is your initial diagnosis?
Diagnostics is is it diagnosis or diagnostics?
It doesn't matter. You can say the same. You can say whatever you want.
All right, let's go again.
Este sí necesitaba un tequila.
We have both depending on your needs.
Diagnosis is 120. All right, let's go.
Okay, so take two.
Sorry. All right, let's do it. Yeah. So, how much is your initial diagnostics?
Diagnosis is $120.
Yes, but what about when you have to?
Was that too loud?
The whole studio.
No, it's just because you're laughing when you're answering her.